Should I buy or sell Nvidia? The report for Nvidia was first published on our website Wednesday, November 16, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since November 3, 2022, our system ranks Nvidia as a hold/accumulate candidate, giving it a score of 0.990. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 18.66% since we first told you to buy Nvidia 10 days ago. This is an average return of 1.87% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Nvidia, our last headline reads, Nvidia stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The Nvidia stock price fell by -4.65% on the last day, Wednesday, November 16, 2022, from $167.01 to $159.25. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 3.05% from a day low at $158.78 to a day high of $163.62. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 20.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -529,000 shares and in total, 46 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.27 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $346.47, and the lowest price was $108.13. Right now the price is 54.04%, or $187.22, below 52-week high at $346.47, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $166.67 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -11.61% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -42.05% and -7.49%. The 12-month trend indicates a -53.32% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -72.19% and -51.27%. This equals a price between $44.29 and $77.61 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, November 16, 2022, Credit Suisse set price target to 210. On Friday, November 11, 2022, Oppenheimer set price target to 225. On Monday, October 24, 2022, Barclays set price target to 140. On Tuesday, October 18, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 140. On Tuesday, October 11, 2022, Citigroup set price target to 210. From analysts, Nvidia stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $156.34 and $132.66. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -4.65%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 24 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 156 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $139.37 and $132.61. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $139.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $132.61 and $131.76. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.84 between high and low, or 3.05%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 4.96%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Nvidia. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Nvidia currently has a price-earning ratio of 34.00. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Nvidia meets first resistance at $162.58. If you do not hold Nvidia shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Nvidia finds first level of support at $139.37, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Nvidia is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 13, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 87,500 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside sell of 229,500 of employee stock option, right to buy. On October 11, 2022, Huang Zhen HSUN made an inside buy of 229,500 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 31,731 of common stock. On October 11, 2022, Stevens Mark A made an inside sell of 53,269 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -18.889. In total, the insiders bought 2,827,899 and sold 4,309,869 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $150.67, minus 5.39%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is Nvidia stock a buy? Nvidia holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 17th, we expect Nvidia to open up $1.30 and start trading at $160.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to